According to crypto specialist Michael Saylor, in this most recent interview, everything we know is a lie. On The George Gammon Show, a proponent of Bitcoin, Michael Saylor, discussed Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets. Do you have a bullish or bearish feeling? Watch the video to learn more about Cardano. Hello everyone. Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Michael Saylor just revealed everything we know is we will show a lie in today's video. So, keep your concentration. He said that Bitcoin is a solid luxury asset, a form of digital gold, a store of value, and a means of making money in the Western world, Europe, and rich countries. However, Bitcoin is a lifeline in many less wealthy nations worldwide when the currency loses value due to hyperinflation. Saylor also discussed Sam Bankman-Fried and the FTX fallout and offered his opinions on the reasons for an appropriate course of action. Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy in the United States, has stated that its business intelligence (BI) organization anticipated and planned for volatility before implementing a Bitcoin strategy. It comes during the current crypto winter, threatening to liquidate MicroStrategy's BTC holdings. Saylor, who led business intelligence firm MicroStrategy for over 33 years, earned a position in crypto history with his enthusiastic and unusual pronouncements regarding Bitcoin, heating Twitter with a series of strange threads and leading some critics to ponder whether they should follow suit. Since MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor revealed in 2020 that the company would be adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet, the crypto community has focused heavily on Saylor and his software firm. He's accumulated millions of followers quickly and is currently one of the social network's most popular and biggest Bitcoin accounts. While many Bitcoin maximalists regard Saylor as a visionary and cite MicroStrategy's little Bitcoin purchases as evidence of huge institutional demand, looking into Michael Saylor's corrupt, deceitful past reveals a darker goal. Saylor, one of Bitcoin's most outspoken supporters, has frequently stressed MicroStrategy's commitment to Bitcoin, even when the crypto market fell in 2022. Saylor has revealed that the software manufacturing company has 129,699 Bitcoin. The corporation designed its balance sheet so that it may continue to keep Bitcoin through adversity. During the crypto bear market, MicroStrategy has continued to buy the dip. In June, Saylor announced that the company had purchased another 480 Bitcoin for roughly $10 million at an average cost of around $20,000 per coin. So keep an eye on how Michael Saylor revealed everything we know is a lie, since a huge twist might be on the way. Tesla and Musk have maintained an on-again, off-again relationship with Bitcoin, but since the company invested $1.5 billion in the cryptocurrency in February 2021, following Saylor's advice on how to do so, as Musk turned to Twitter to advocate Bitcoin and Dogecoin, the price of Bitcoin skyrocketed to $43,000, an all-time high. Tesla claimed at the time of its investment that customers could buy its cars using Bitcoin. Still, a couple of months later, the firm revised its position, citing the cryptocurrency's high energy usage and environmental impact. However, the corporation stated that it would keep its Bitcoin and resume its purchases after mining switched to more sustainable energy sources. A week later, Musk tweeted diamond hands emoticons, which investors often use to indicate that they're in it for the long haul. Today, Saylor used the same emoji set to make another apparent allusion to Musk. The co-founder of MicroStrategy's opinion on Bitcoin shifted dramatically, and in August 2020, MicroStrategy reported the first acquisition of $250 million in Bitcoin for its treasury reserves. Shortly after, the company invested another $175 million in Bitcoin, bringing the overall value of its BTC stock to almost $425 million. Saylor later admitted that he had purchased millions of dollars in Bitcoin for personal use. Michael Saylor has repeatedly stated that Bitcoin will serve as a tool to help mend the ailing monetary and financial system. Saylor was known to favor cryptocurrency as a protection against inflation, But as part of this, he made strange references to George Washington's death. On August 2, Michael Saylor announced his resignation as CEO of MicroStrategy and his appointment as executive chairman. MicroStrategy's stock achieved a 3-month high in response to the announcement. Bitcoin was a key component in MicroStrategy's $917 million loss in the second quarter, with some of its prices dropping more than 40% since the beginning of 2022. Michael Saylor announced his intention to focus mostly on Bitcoin in his final tweet as CEO of MicroStrategy. Whether made humorously or not, the crypto world may be certain that Saylor will continue to be a Bitcoin maximalist and driving force for its promotion. The dot-com bubble was among the greatest in history, lasting from 1995 until the early 2000s. Extreme speculation was carried out for internet-based firms, primarily with a .com domain for its internet address. Michael Saylor was the hardest hit during the tech bubble. Michael Saylor was ranked first, having lost $13.53 billion in the fastest, greatest financial loss in history when years of careless accounting procedures, fraud, and poor leadership contributed to his investment disasters. His company's valuation is purely predicated on his ability to draw hype by participating in popular trends, as evidenced by people's enthusiasm to be at the center of the dot-com bubble and now the Bitcoin bubble. Now fast forward to the present. Since peaking last year, MicroStrategy's stock has lost around 2/3 of its value, pulled down by the current Bitcoin bear market. Saylor handed over the CEO title to Phong Le. Michael Saylor is accused of fraud by the SEC. Michael Saylor's entire business was based on dishonesty. The dot-com frenzy propelled his stock from $30 to over $3,000 in a matter of years, but that all came crashing down 99.9% when Saylor compelled the company to restate its financial data, which destroyed all of the profits they'd ever claimed to have generated. Michael Saylor was investigated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and suspected of fraud. Like the majority of SEC cases, this one ended in a settlement. Saylor agreed to cover $8.3 million to investors and a $350,000 penalty to the SEC without admitting or disputing the claims. The SEC also found they were losing money, contrary to Saylor's claims. MicroStrategy was primarily fueled by new investors who were attracted by the extreme excitement, illusions, and speculations of dot-com bubble participants. MicroStrategy is the largest integrated BTC investor. In August of 2020, MicroStrategy, led by one of the most active voices in the crypto field, Michael Saylor, became the first publicly traded business to buy Bitcoin as part of a capital allocation strategy, purchasing a total of 21,454 Bitcoins for a total of $250 million. Since then, the corporation has purchased additional coins, increasing its total BTC holdings to around 129,918 coins at an average cost of $30,700 per coin versus the dollar, making it the biggest institutional holder of Bitcoin, as well as the largest institutional loser if BTC crashes. Michael Saylor encourages people and countries who want to flourish to join this new digital financial network. In terms of the future, he believes that making yourself and your property mobile is the best thing you can do. According to him, property investment, stocks, and bonds, and even businesses might lose value or bind you to one spot. He wants people to own the most mobile, liquid asset on the planet. Phong Le, president of MicroStrategy, stated on a conference call in May that a call option would only be necessary if Bitcoin remained above $21,000. The market conditions demand that soon, since BTC is trading at $22,600 as of press time. Saylor, on the other hand, believes in Bitcoin. Saylor has been one of the most well-known Bitcoin enthusiasts in corporate America since MicroStrategy revealed its first Bitcoin purchase in August 2020. accumulating a significant Twitter following and speaking at numerous crypto conferences. That's all we have for you today. Please take a look. Michael Saylor revealed everything we know is a lie. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see all future videos, subscribe to the channel and switch on notifications. First and foremost, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies, and how can you justify them more precisely? Please participate and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching.